Sydney Sweeney definitely has some good jeans. I'm gonna say this is just funny as hell to me, right? When you actually think of the ad, it's just a play on words. I mean, it's basically saying, yes, that she is hot, so her jeans are nice, and the fact that she's got, you know, nice hair, she's attractive, she's got good assets, if you know what I mean. But you know, it's just a funny play on words. Like, you've got good jeans, and they're saying that, like, American Eagle, they're saying that their product, they are good jeans. You know, the fact that people are getting birds. The fact that people are like freaking out about this is so funny to me, man. And this has absolutely nothing to do with motorcycling. I just thought it was funny as hell, and it's just people get so offended about absolutely everything. I mean, I've seen people say that because they're not white that they can't go shop at American Eagle. No. Not some Nazi propaganda ad. It's not some eugenics or like whatever saying white people are better than other people ad. It's a joke. American Eagle decided to hire a hot chick to sit in their denim, and, and they made a play on words ad about it, and it's absolutely hilarious to me that people are this mad about it. Like, I love it, man. I love seeing people just get like lose their head over the dumbest shit on the internet. Like, there's no reason that you need to be mad about an ad that is literally just an ad. Like, who cares? They said something, good jeans, and not saying like, oh, her jeans are better than everybody else's jeans. Oh, you know. I don't know. I've been dying laughing at it because I think Sydney Sweeney is great. She's a great actress. She's got great personality. No, I think Sydney Sweeney is very hot. She is my kind of like type, and the fact that she's just getting paid a shitload of money to do, you know, whatever ads is fine. Another ADHD brain here. On another side of things, there's somebody who's talking about how like her agent must suck, and how because she's not modeling for like Dior or Chanel or whatever, then her agent must hate her. And I was like, or they're just paying her a shitload of money. I mean, she's doing Dr. Squatch, like her bathtub water. Like, obviously she's getting paid well for that. She's doing the American Eagle thing, like whatever ad she does, she's getting paid a shitload of money for it. Her agent is doing perfectly fine for her. And this is absolutely, like, again, nothing to do with motorcycling at all. It's just, I've been watching this and it's like, it's just so funny to me, because you've got one side, you got people like losing their minds over the fact that they think it's Nazi propaganda and it's talking about like race is better than other race, and then you've got the other side, you know, doing the exact opposite of like, I'm gonna go buy American Eagle now because haha, just to stick it to those, you know. Like, who cares, man? You people get so offended and counter offended by absolutely nothing. And I'm saying counter offended because, you know, an ad that doesn't offend you, that other people are offended about, is now making you offended because they're offended. Think about the fucking circle we just had to go through to get there. I don't get it. Like, things that don't affect me, I don't get how people like make everything about them, you know. Here's an ad about jeans and it somehow turns into, you know, white supremacy, and it's not. It's just not.